I'm Peter and welcome to another web hosting tutorial video. Increase your website's security and boost your reputation with an SSL certificate. An SSL certificate allows for more secure encrypted connections to be established between your web server and the user's browser. Your visitors are more likely to trust your secured website. As a result, an SSL certificate can increase conversions. I will show you exactly how to install an SSL certificate in this video tutorial. To begin, let's assume that you've already purchased an SSL certificate and that you require help with the installation. Upon purchasing an SSL certificate, you will receive your token via an email. To install your SSL certificate, first you must log in to your web hosting account. Enter the email address and password associated with your web hosting account to log in. Once logged in, you will be met with your client dashboard. Click the option called Services. Within the Products and Services page, select the service that you wish to apply your SSL certificate to. Within the product dashboard on the left side, you will see a tab called Actions. Within this tab, you need to select the first option called Login to cPanel. cPanel organizes their features and functions into easy to navigate categories. Scroll down to the category called Security. Within this category, select the option called Auto Install SSL. Upon selecting, you will be prompted to enter your SSL token to install. To find your token, you will need to navigate back to the client dashboard. It is recommended to open a new tab for this. Navigate to Services. Here, you should see your SSL certificate. Upon selecting, you will be able to see your token ID. Copy your token and paste it into the Auto Install SSL. Once your token has been verified, you will be prompted to include contact information. Once all fields are filled out correctly, select the option Submit. Your SSL certificate should begin to install automatically. Sit back and relax. Allow the auto installer to do the rest of the work for you. Congratulations! Your SSL certificate has successfully been installed. Now let's check that your SSL certificate was successfully installed. To do this, navigate to your website. A website without an SSL certificate will indicate a non-secured connection. A website with an SSL certificate will have a green or grey padlock located next to the URL bar. If your website has a green or grey padlock icon, this indicates the SSL certificate was successfully installed. If you don't have an SSL certificate, we offer a range of SSL certificates to best suit your requirements. To learn more about SSL certificates, check in the video description below for more useful links on our website. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video.